What if I told you that your first $100,000 is the hardest money you'll ever save? Not your first million, your first 100,000. Most people think becoming wealthy is about making more money. But the truth is, wealth starts growing much faster once your money begins working for you instead of you working for every dollar. Today, we're going to break down why the first $100,000 changes everything. Let's look at the math behind this financial phenomenon. Imagine you save $10,000 every single year. If you invest it at a 7% annual return, it will take you about 7.8 years to reach your first $100,000. That feels like a very long, exhausting climb. In those early years, almost all of your progress comes from raw savings. Your investments only generate a tiny fraction of the growth. But look at what happens next. To go from $100,000 to $200,000 at the exact same savings rate and interest rate, it doesn't take another 7.8 years. It only takes about 5.1 years. And to go from $200,000 to $300,000, that milestone takes just 3.7 years. By the time you are aiming for your first million, your money is doing almost all of the heavy lifting. This is the magical snowball effect of compounding interest. But why is the start so incredibly difficult? First, you have to build completely new financial habits. You have to learn to spend less than you earn. You must resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise, it's easy to buy a nicer car or rent a more expensive apartment. But to reach that first major milestone, you must stay disciplined. Second, you are battling high friction. When you start with zero, compounding has nothing to multiply. 7% of $100 is only $7. But 7% of $100,000 is $7,000. That $7,000 works for you without any extra effort. It is like having a silent business partner who never sleeps. To build this momentum, you need a clear strategy. Start by automating your savings every month. Pay yourself first before you pay your bills. Cut back on small, repetitive luxury expenses. That daily coffee or expensive lunch adds up over a decade. Invest your savings in low-cost index funds. Keep your fees low and stay consistent. Do not panic when the stock market goes down. Market downturns are actually opportunities to buy assets on sale. Consistency is your ultimate superpower in finance. Remember, every dollar you save is a seed. You are planting a financial forest for your future self. The early years of watering these seeds will feel slow. You might look around and feel like you are not getting anywhere. But beneath the surface, the roots are spreading deep. Once you cross that six-figure threshold, the trees start bearing fruit much faster than you expect. You will feel a profound sense of security and freedom. Your stress about unexpected expenses will begin to vanish. You are no longer living paycheck to paycheck. This is the foundation of true financial independence. So keep pushing forward, even when progress feels invisible. Every small decision you make today compounds over time. Stay focused on the long-term vision of your life. Your future self will thank you for the sacrifices you make now. Let's make your money work as hard for you as you do for it.